put like a nice playlist, or I'm gonna listen to my audiobook, and I just feel immediately so relaxed. Today we're going to be sketching some horses. It is the year of the horse. I'm going to sketch some rough ideas for the year of the horse painting, because I have two possibilities and I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do. The cool thing about the sketchbook is that it's left-handed friendly. It doesn't have any wiring or anything, so you can completely like open it like this, and I love that. I love that so much. What is it that I wanted to convey in the writer's daughter painting? I really enjoy to keep that to myself and not explain too much, but that's part of the fun of the paintings. I guess there's a lot of symbolism and a lot of the idea behind the year of the horse and shedding the skin of the snake. It made me think of running away from what? From oneself, from our fears. And this is something that I had reflected a lot throughout my life, throughout my young adult life, in that you are protected by yourself, by your experience, by your strength, by the landscape around you, which is where she is in the forest. And I do want to leave some room to interpretation, or to take it as you want it. But that's kind of pretty much what I was thinking when I was painting it. So this is what we have right now. So these areas that have so much warmth, or just a little bit of warmth, actually it's not that much, they don't really match. So I'm gonna just edit them out, so repaint on top of them. And I think I'm gonna make the moon smaller, because I'm going to be adding this like guiding star on top of the horse's head. So this painting is going to be under the moonlight. Technically speaking, I could remove it completely, which I thought about it, but I really like, I can't really want it to be a moon over here. It just, sometimes like when you add things, the painting will ask you other things. But okay, let's do it. So this is a frame by Red Ashby. It's a framer in Utah, and I've been buying frames for the past several years. Technically this one wasn't custom made, but I have gotten a few custom made ones by him, and I love them. If I could afford it like every single time, I would totally buy frames from him. But I thought, this be specifically deserved just another beautiful frame. So somebody said something in the comments when I posted on Instagram that the horse kind of looked like nácar, and I think nácar is kind of like a pearl, and I thought that was such a sweet comment. So now we're gonna have to pack it up and send it to the gallery. And I also want to show you this one because that it's going to Eva. Eva is on my Patreon and she's just so sweet. And we ended up choosing this frame, so I had to cut the piece, our little saw machine, and the only 2 times that I've done that is so nerve-wracking. Like I'm so afraid, but I go and I do it very carefully, and then I go with like a tiny little saw and then just soften the edges so that it fits on this frame. And here you can see both together. Oh gosh. So this would be like the color sketch, and this is the final painting. We're gonna try to be in the first day of the gallery opening, and I've only been to there was this show in Costa Mesa like 3 or 4 years ago or something, and it was the little painting of the goldfish, and I'm super excited, like really excited about it. So last year I wanted to do a calendar with all of my paintings, and just as every year, of course, what happens is that the September comes, November, and then I just haven't done anything. So instead I thought, I'm just going to make this calendar throughout the entire rest of the year. And then I was thinking, oh my gosh, I can do the snail mail club and just send them every single piece that I make that month. The idea was to just use one panel and have that main painting, but I knew that I was going to use a bunch of different panel sizes. The best part has been to force myself to write the text, because I don't consider myself a great writer by any means, but it kind of like pushes me to really think through, and it's been such a great exercise. So I highly recommend, if you are doing any type of painting, and to write about it. Maybe for some people it comes easier. So we were exploring this theme of ladies in the moon, and I loved it so much. I was so happy with it, and I love receiving my clubs from Sandra and from Jules. So I tried to translate some of those ideas into an oil painting, and well, I was really going for that sort of, yeah, kind of, you know, the brush strokes and the brightness. But I think ultimately, I just think like I love like a little bit of a darker palette. So, yeah, it was a great practice. I may try to do a bigger one, but we'll see. We'll see. Okay, so I think it's done, and actually I'm happy with it. And you know what? I like that it's kind of like loose, like there's not a lot of definition over here, and I like it. I like this part, and I like this. I didn't do like too much because obviously the focus is on her, but yeah, I'm happy with it. Oh, this is such a wonderful feeling, honestly. Like, yay, cool. All of the kits that Gambling has sent over for my students for Portugal, which by the way, to this day, there is a few spots left. I think there's 4 spots left. So if you're interested, you are still on time if you want to join. I'm just gonna leave it there, no pressure. I told them I really want us to also have the King's Blue and the Green Gold, because these are 2 colors that I use all the time on my palette. Yeah. They're awesome, man. These are gonna go to Portugal directly because the first year, which I was crazy, I put them in my suitcase and I don't know how I didn't get stopped or anything, but I can't risk it. And so next week, which now I'm just telling you because you're here, but next week I am meeting up with a local model to prepare some photos to have over there. And I'm gonna go scouting and find a little river because obviously the theme is mermaids and silkies and things like that. So yeah, I'm so excited. I'm thrilled. I look forward to it.